Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Monite journey. I am thrilled to share every step of launching this new line, especially this new brand of Haitian Spice Blend with you. And what makes this even more exciting is because I decided to use ChatGPT um, to provide us with some help. Um, so we got some marketing plan out there, some social media content planning, and a lot more that we will share with you along this journey. So our goal is to see if the information that we are getting from ChatGPT is going to lead us to getting to our first $1 million in sales, which is not a big deal for a food brand. I work in the food industry for many years, and this is not really impressive. But for a Haitian style brand, a line of product, inspired by Haiti, this is definitely a big challenge. Not a lot of people know about Haiti in a good way, let alone about Haitian food and Haitian spices and all that. We, um, before all, and people don't know that probably too well, we are a melting pot. We have inherited a lot of different cultures over the years that have blended into the way we cook, and the result is really a very unique spin on how you cook your food, and the taste is so delicious, very different and very relatable. um, so today, as one of the first step that we got from GPT, is to lay out the foundation, and this is what we're going to talk about today. We are um, talking about the essential of getting the brand started. I'll show you how we went from creating the look and changing the look that we have had before, and then how what we're gonna do with our social media presence in order to build excitement about Monhaiti. So let's go to the first um, step: finalizing the brand. Okay, so as part of laying out the foundation for our special challenge, we have to set up the brand, you know, initiate marketing channels, and then start building brand awareness. I am not a marketer. I am a food scientist by trade, uh, by training, and my goal is not to wow you with definition about marketing or branding. So I'm gonna be very simple here. So for us, the brand is about how people, what people see when we show them our product. The look of the logo, the packaging design, the labels, what the website look like, and then how we convey our messages, like via social media or email marketing, whichever. So this week, this is what our goal is to do. We've already started working with different designers. What I found out is that I don't do too well with just one designer. I like to have multiple designers working on something for me, and that way I can uh, I can really figure out which one really connect to what I'm trying to convey. Sometimes people are lucky; they can just right off the bat work with a designer that understand them. But I think the story of Haiti and the way people see it versus the way a Haitian feel Haiti are two different two different stories. And so for me, it was very important to get the design right. And I'll show you very soon. Um, then we have to set up social media accounts. We already have accounts with Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And what I've found out, it's very difficult to manage all of them. But these days we we have a lot of tools that help. So I will keep those site active. I'm not gonna shut anyone down, even though a lot of suggestion we've got out there said to just focus on two. So the two we will really focus on will be YouTube and TikTok. So we will develop content for those two platforms that we will use for the other platforms. That way, it will save us some time. And the reason is simple. I can't badmouth any platform. It's just for and and which means when people will search things online, and then they will be able to pull information coming from YouTube. And uh, and TikTok is like this very young social media platform where you get a lot of um, younger generation Haitians there, and we are attracted to that group. So nothing against Instagram or Facebook. It's just we have very limited means, and now developing a content calendar. This is something that I've wanted to do for many years. So and it's very hard, or it was very hard until really I started using ChatGPT, where you can ask for 52 weeks social media planning. You can ask for what to put, and even when I'm not gonna use it verbatim, meaning my social media calendar has to be lined up with current events or holidays. So we will do that. But the the information we got from ChatGPT is gonna be very inspirational into helping us create our calendar. So those are the key tasks we have to do for week one of laying the foundation to finalize branding. Take care. If you're as excited as I am to see a brand grow, or if you're just curious about whether ChatGPT can help your brand grow, please follow Mon IT on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you'd like to see in terms of content or recipe you love. And remember, we are just getting started on this journey, and I can't wait to share the next steps with you. Goodbye.